2004 Toyota Sienna, the airbag warning light is on. We tried to reset it. We made a scan though with a blue driver, and it came up with a code, and this is the code. So as you see, there's a vehicle and the airbag, the front airbag sensor, right, and B1148. So we reset it from here, from the blue driver scanning tool, and it came back right away. The other thing we can do, we can unplug the cable, both connectors underneath the passenger side over there and the driver side, and we'll see. So we have to turn the car off. Key is out. Yeah, this is the driver's seat, and you can see there are two connectors here. This one I already disconnect this. Now the other connector is this one here. This vehicle, it's not like automatic seat, manual, so I'm not sure which one is for, I could search and find out which connector for the airbag, but I'll just disconnect both of them, and that way hopefully to reset the airbag warning light. We're gonna disconnect this one too. To disconnect this, if you have a flat screwdriver, very easy. All you need to press here, and just like that, you press here, or if you have a, see, and then so we disconnected this, and we disconnected this one. Now let's go to the driver's side. Under the driver's side there is also one, this is just one connector. So let's disconnect this. Okay, this one disconnected. Now there's one other one here too. I disconnected this one. You press here and then you pull. This is the one here. See, it says what does it say here? Layer, I don't know what's that. Well, anyway, so we disconnected this and we disconnected this one. Now we're just gonna put everything back and see what's gonna happen. Put this one in, and then we're gonna put this one in. Okay, good. Now we're gonna do the other side. We'll do one, and then the second one is here. Okay, now we're gonna try flush. Still there. Yeah, so that did not solve the problem. The light is still there. It did not reset it. Blue driver is connected there, and then we'll just wait and see if we reset it from here and see how long it will take. Maybe this will work, I don't know, we'll see. One code found, same thing, airbag, and the same one too, B1148. Let's clear this. Okay, so I'm just gonna press clear. Yes, watch the, see, it's gone. Let's see if it's gonna come back. Yeah, it came back right away. Not even 2 seconds. Sensor issue, maybe. Okay, next we're gonna disconnect the battery. So we reset it with the blue driver, clear the code, We came back after 2 seconds. We disconnected the cables on the passenger side and the driver side. It did not work too. Now we're gonna disconnect the negative. Okay, and we'll wait a little bit. There's also, I'm gonna do this one to reset pretty much everything. So, okay, we'll move this one too, and then put them together like that. Okay, keep them for a few seconds, 10 seconds or so. Okay, both of them like that, and then also the key on and turning, like trying to start the engine for a few seconds. You know, that will basically do hard reset for everything. And yeah, see, just like that. Okay, now we're gonna put everything back again. Okay, put this one in first. Light is on, still on. So, you know, I noticed, like, when I did this, you see the RPM now way below the 500 because it resets everything. See, so this will take maybe like 10 minutes or so to computer reset the RPM and everything else, but the airbag light warning is still on. See, the RPM now is going a little bit up just above 500 because it's resetting. That's called relaying for the throttle gas and air fuel and stuff like that. So we didn't work. We disconnected the cable on both sides, didn't work. We reset it, didn't work. I think this the weight sensor in this passenger seat, front passenger seat, is faulty. It need to be replaced. Okay, now I'm gonna do this is my last method. I'm gonna disconnect this. That's what the weight sensor is. This thing. And this one, the other one there, the 2-wire plug, it's for seat belt. I'm gonna disconnect it too, so just in case. Okay. See, this is off. This one is a little tricky to open because you see this, you need to press here like that and pull, and you can't see it because in the back. So yeah, that's how. Okay, and this one also same thing, press here and pull. You need to press hard though. Now both of them off. Let's disconnect the battery again. Disconnect one of the battery terminal. Basically it's a faulty weight sensor. That's basically the only thing left to do. To replace that one, you need a calibration tool, which is, I don't have, the Toyota dealer has it. They have it, and to calibrate the sensor when you replace it, or most likely maybe the best to replace the entire seat, you know, because it comes with the sensor and everything. So it's been about 15 seconds or 30 seconds or so. Time to put those back in, and we'll see how it goes. I don't know if this is gonna reset it. I doubt it, because I did this like a few times before, and sometimes works, sometimes not. Okay, now we're gonna put those back in again. Sometimes moisture or something else can prevent a good connection. Okay, let's try now. Okay, still on. Now we try to reset it. Still the same code again. Let's try to reset it. Okay, so I'm gonna reset it now. Clear, yes. See, airbag is gone. If it's coming back right away, that's definitely issue with the what they call seat. Oh, yeah, came back again. So I just noticed because my son was sitting here, and every time we reset it, the light comes on again. We may have to leave it. Nobody sit on the chair, and then we'll do the reset again. Let's go back. Clear code. Clear all code. Yeah, it was off and then now back again. This is it's called clearing, still clearing, but it came back again, and the same code again. So we disconnected both cables beneath there. Okay, this one, that one there, for the seat belt, and we disconnected the battery. I put those ones back there. Now it's time to start the engine. Let's see what's it. Okay, and now we're gonna do reset it from here. No one's sitting in the seat, and see what happens. Okay, code again. Clear. Yes. It's gone, and yep, that's it. So okay, so on the driver's side, driver's seat, I'm gonna disconnect this. The key is off. This is for the this one goes to the seat here, that weight sensor seat, and this one it's for the computer or ACU. First of all, I want to see if there's any resistance in this one. So you can see there are three connector there. The middle one, it's a signal, and the 5-volt, and so let's put this one on ohm, and then let's those together. Change let's see the resistance. 0.16. Let's check now. First gonna do it's really hard to see. 1, 2. So there is some resistance here. The resistance is 0.33 ohms. How about the middle one? Middle one is nothing. That's a signal, middle one. Let's do so yeah, the middle one is a signal, nothing. But the one outer, both 0.33 ohms. Okay, see, so this one is working good. Now I'm gonna put it on volt, DC volt, and we'll check, turn the keys on. Keys on. Now we'll check the voltage in this one. See, it's supposed to be 5 volt. Oh, 10 volt. That's 10 volt. So here's the one. That's 11, almost 11 volt. Signal one. 11.30. 11.3 volt. So now we started the engine and see if there is any different in voltage. 12 volt. Yeah, 12. Okay, so this is 12 volt one, but why this one doesn't work? That's not gonna work for sure, because this must be replaced. It's not about something to be reset or anything. It just has to be replaced. The sensor, the weight sensor is bad. Okay, thank you and have a good day.